Have you ever wondered about the amount of sugar hidden in your daily drink? The average soda conceals an astonishing amount. But what if you could swap that soda with a water or seltzer? You could slash your daily sugar consumption by approximately 10 teaspoons. And there's no need to miss out on flavor. You can add a zing to your water with natural ingredients like mint, lemon, or frozen strawberries. Imagine the difference this small change could make to your daily sugar intake. Did you know that liquid sugar, like that found in soda, seems to bypass the body's fullness signals? It's quite fascinating, really. Consider this. A study examined the effects of consuming an extra 450 calories per day from jelly beans compared to the same amount from soda. What they found was quite telling. Those who indulged in the jelly beans unintentionally consumed fewer calories over the course of the day. It appears their bodies recognized the additional intake and naturally adjusted their hunger levels. On the other hand, the soda drinkers presented a different story. Despite consuming the same additional caloric amount, they ended up taking in more calories overall. This led to a surprising weight fluctuation, shifting from a loss of half a pound to a gain of 2.5 pounds. It's clear that not all calories are created equal, especially when it comes to liquid sugar. So what are the real effects of these sugary drinks? Let's break it down. Sugary drinks sidestep your body's fullness signals, leading to an increase in total calorie intake and potential weight gain. In fact, one study found that soda drinkers consumed an extra 450 calories per day compared to those who opted for jelly beans. But there's a simple solution. Replace these sugary menaces with no-calorie alternatives. Think water, seltzer, perhaps with a dash of mint, lemon, or even frozen strawberries. Making the switch could be your first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Ready to make a change in your sugar intake? Now's the time. There's a fantastic program waiting for you that can kickstart your weight loss journey in just a few short weeks. It's accessible, easy to follow, and the results? Absolutely life-changing. The link is waiting for you right in the description box, so don't hesitate. Dive in, embrace the challenge, and start reaping the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Start your journey towards a healthier, sugar-free lifestyle today.